Hello everyone, peace in, and today I'm going to be filming, or Hunter will be filming, me fly my quadricopter, and yeah, I'm trying to show it. You see it? Almost. Kinda. Okay. Requested by Jay Smith. Dude, you sent to the comment, but not yet, so thanks Jay Smith for this request. I haven't flown this in a while. Probably a month or a couple weeks. I don't know. But yeah, so Hunter will be recording me fly my helicopter in the house because I don't want to give away where I am. So I'm going to be flying it in the house. Don't worry, I'm kind of professional. But yeah, he just burped like Miranda, but okay. Time to fly. You're awesome. And Nathan just sit down there. Sam Pillar, I'm waiting for a comment from you. Okay, but you're awesome too. You're just like Jay Smith. So Hunter is making his little thingy. I don't know what's called. Quesadilla, probably. It's called a quesadilla. And I'm stupid. Yeah, we're about to record, so let's get right to it before I bore you guys. 2, 1, record. Alright, Sam Taylor, this is for you. Wait. Jay Smith. And Sam Taylor? Jason, I'm sorry. I get names mixed up. I'm trying to get Sam Taylor to comment, but he's not here yet. But Jay Smith, you're awesome. This is for you. Sorry. Sorry I said Sam Taylor, jeez. That's horrible. Sorry, Sam Taylor. Okay, I'm going to fly it over this couch as my first stunt. That tells you I'm awesome at this. There we go. You can't see it all. Oh, you know what? I'll fly it over. I'm not going to pick it up because... There, look. It's a hovercraft. Oh! Almost broke that there. Oopsie. There we go. Go up. No, don't hit the chair. Here it goes again. Alright, careful flying this time. Don't hit my quesadilla. No, I'm going to cool it down. Oh! You hit my quesadilla. Are you kidding me? I cooled it down. I cooled this quesadilla down. I need a chair. Okay. Okay, get this close to the camera, Hunter. I will do flags. I'm a good editor. Go! It's full throttle. It's not going that high. Battery. Alright, you gotta be more excited, Jay Smith. I thought it would go that high. Yes. It's working. Nice! Woo. Good boost from the wall. Sam Taylor been filming things. Good. I got this. I got this. Oh, jeez. Okay. Why are you so scared of it? Alright. For video. I'm on it. Man. Alright, try to fly next to the camera. Jason. Yes, I got so close. But Hunter keeps screaming like a maniac. Hey guys, let's fool around with Hunter. Woo! TKO. Alright, I got there. Get out! Stop it! Oh no, let's make some little accords. Let's just fly it away. Okay. Hunter! Ooh! I think I got him. I'm very sorry, Sam Taylor. Jeez. Oh, yeah. And Jason, it still works, right? Okay. You guys are still good with this video, Jason. I didn't tell you, but I can turn this around. The throttle's good. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Alright, Thanks for watching, guys. Hey people, let's say that, but bye. So, he was flying his quadricopter, as I said in the beginning of the video. Oh yeah, bye. This is the end of the video. Hunter totally messed up, and I forgot to say, hey people, it's Dandy12 here, so sorry.
Hey look, it's not really sorry. Oh, California's calling. There's 30 million people in California.
There's a lot of people in California.
Wait, everyone shut up. Let's see who it is.
It's California.
Oh, California.
Okay, they're joking about California on the
it's
phone.
America.
But yeah, so peace out, guys.
Someone in the world
I'll
is
see you in the next
calling.
episode. J Smith, goodbye.
So yeah.